Welcome aboard Avani Airways. Please fasten your seatbelts and get ready for fun and exciting Vegas slot videos.
First part of video is Rex and me playing airplane on the Thanksgiving trip at the Cosmopolitan. Okay, we lied. We're finishing up our play at Cosmo together this trip on airplane. We gotta see a bonus, guys. We love our airplane. Are we playing the 5 cents or 1 cent?
5.
So $3 or 51.
50.
Okay. You got it. We need that bonus quick. We want to see it now. Or just drop 5 autos and I'll be happy with it.
Bonus.
Come on.
One.
Come on.
Bonus.
Oh,
it's
I saw that. Everybody wants a bonus. Oops, didn't mean to. Sticky. Unsticky.
Does this volume go up at all?
Oh yeah, thanks. Yes.
Bonus.
Yes, bonus.
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 Oh, I'm so sad. Well, at least we got auto. Just keeping us alive a little bit. Bonus. Yes. Bonus. Come on. Oh, it flew by again. Sucks. Fish never pay anything. They're just a bunch of bones. Come on. You want to give it to us, don't you? Come on. I saw it fly by, but sometimes there's 2. Come on. I was trying, but you got it. Okay, which one do you think it is?
You want me to pick?
Yeah, I do. Thank you. That's what I was going to pick.
This is your
Thank
captain
you.
speaking. Welcome
First,
to the
that's
bunch.
the higher picking. We want auto. We want to pick auto on 100%.
See the other one? If I picked the other one, we would have gotten our bet back, and that's it.
I know.
It's a 90.
It sucks.
I'm picking, you pick.
You can start us off.
We'll be back to you very quickly.
What?
Pick the right
Seriously.
auto to fly back to the bonus.
Save us, Rex.
One of those 2.
Save us. Well, you were picking.
Blanky blank,
Thank
yeah.
You enjoy the rest of your flight.
Engage the
Oh, thank
automatic
God.
pilot.
Rex
Sit
picked
back and
auto.
relax. Auto will
Rex
pick for
picked
you,
Rex
and
picking.
you get all the credit.
Come on, Otto. Pick the big numbers. Pick one of the bonuses, Otto. Pick a bonus. Pick a bonus. Yeah, he got really flex for us. You keep picking. I suck.
engine gauge.
Pick it down, Rex.
I pick it up.
Yeah. You're doing all the picking for us. We're holding on.
Sluggish. Like a wet sponge.
Higher. Keep going.
I love the message you
Keep
like that.
going. No, don't do that. Yeah.
Everyone on this planet is in a desperate situation.
Hey, it's doing pretty good. Come on.
There's nothing to worry about.
Okay, it's not bad. I think you picked the best one in there. Like that.
Hold on, Jack. Keep going.
We're in terrible trouble, over.
Yes.
Sluggish. Like a wet sponge.
Let's go. Keep going. I can tell you picked the best one in there.
Everyone on this planet is in a desperate situation.
See?
There's no reason
Picked
to
the
panic.
big one. Yes, you did. No battery.
I'm ordering you to stay up
Nice.
there. Surely there must be
Nice.
something you can do. The life of
still a
everyone on board
bonus
depends upon just
somewhere.
one thing.
Oh, the gold thing, right?
The what thing?
That gold thing.
Pick the right auto to fly
Oh, you
back
might
to the bonus.
continue.
Keep going. Oh no.
There was only one. It's hard to pick 1 out of 5. That was a good bonus. You did pretty good. You picked 2 of the things.
Thank you for flying with us. Sit back and enjoy the rest of your game.
That was nice. We like that. Fly up in the skies. Okay.
Playing airplane with Rex on the New Year's Eve trip.
All right, Rex and I are Cosmopolitan. First day of the New Year's Eve trip.
Yeah.
Trying airplane, aren't we? We're gonna win.
We're gonna win.
And we're betting $750. You want to start us off?
Okay.
Okay. And we want a bonus right away.
Yeah.
Real quick. For 4 autos, 4 wild autos would be nice. Come on, airplane. You can do it. You can do it. Big win, big win, big win. Well. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I saw it fly by. Darn it. Yes.
Come on.
Come on. Come on. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Bonus.
Another one.
Another one.
Ooh, now we're scared though. Now we're scared. Yes. Thank God you picked. I was thinking that one. Thank goodness. You're a hot picker. Pick Otto. Ooh.
Well, you found the ticket. The first class ticket will later multiply your
You're
biggest
gonna pick
win.
anything?
Yeah, I'll pick something. It better not be collect. Woo! I got this right bonus.
Would you like to order dinner now?
Well, we know what we have to pick, right?
Pick the
We
steak
have to always-
increase your multiplier.
Yeah. You want to pick? That's okay. We're going to pick some good ones. We're going to pick Otto. Where's Otto? Come on, where's Otto?
Oh, it's me.
I think so.
I'm ordering you to stay up there.
Oh shit.
Pick the right auto to fly back to the bonus.
We hope you enjoy the rest of your flight.
We need Otto. I'm afraid to pick.
Surely there must be
You want to
something you
keep
can do.
picking?
No, it's you should pick.
The life of
Okay.
everyone on
Yeah,
board depends upon finding someone who didn't have faith.
Auto's getting large.
Oh no.
Pick the right auto to fly back to the bonus.
What do you think?
Shoot.
It's hard. They only have 1 out of 5. So this is going to give us a multiplier. Come on.
Select a first class seat to multiply your biggest pick.
Yay! 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 Very nice. We had a good bonus. You picked the best. 5 times is the best. $300. Yes.
We like
Winner,
these.
winners.
Yay.
Winner, winners. It came pretty quick too. There we go, baby. Come on. I love that stuff. Yeah, we only lost it. That's the way we started out.
Yay.
Well, actually, it's 400. Right? Yeah, it's 400.
Yeah.
I said 300.
Oh.